Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're over at my parents' place in Detroit, and we're about to go unearth my old Buick Riviera that I've had since I was a kid. It's in our garage right here. It's been sitting for like a year and a half or so, so we're just getting the battery charged up. We're about to start it, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me in case any of you guys are into the classic stuff. This is a car I've had for a long time. I'm in the middle of evaluating what I'm going to do with it, if it's going to be restored, if it's going to be sold, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. The car is really sweet, as you guys will see. It's a 63 Buick Riviera, so let's go take a look inside. Sorry for the mess, but here is the Riviera. You can see there's all kinds of dust and there's a stool on it. It's buried here in our garage, so I'm just gonna get in here. I already got the battery charging and we're just gonna go ahead and start it soon. But you guys can see this interior is just amazing in this car. We paid like $5,000 for this thing, like almost 10 years ago now, and I think we're definitely getting some good money out of it. But here's the engine. It's a 401 nailhead V8, something like 350 horsepower, 400 torque. It's a lot, but this is like a 4,000 pound car from 1963, so doesn't exactly put the power down well. But yeah, black leather interior. You know, dash has no cracks. It's got 91,000 miles. We just put a tack on there because it doesn't come with one. All original in here. The headliner's in great shape. Wood, everything. So yeah, it's a pretty sweet car. I've had it for a long time. Might need a new paint job soon, but yeah, let's get this thing started. Alright. Let's give her a go. Pump the gas. All right, let's put the battery charger on engine start instead of fast charge and see if that does it. All right, there we go. Woo! Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This thing's got a custom side pipe exhaust. Sounds good. Alright, well, I'm gonna get this thing all warmed up and we'll check out some stuff after that.